What the heck?
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe
Really, Nashville?
warning for Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:08 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Portland, or 11 miles north of Gallatin, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Cross Plains, Portland, Orinda, Mitchellville, Bethpage, Oak Road, Leadso Creek State Park, Cottontown, and Blackjack. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 98 and 121. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.